Do you think you could find a machine tool that can make every component in your catalog? Well, here at the ANDRITZ facility in Iggesund, Sweden, they found a customized IBARMIA solution in partnership with Stenbergs that can do just that.
I'm Erik Molin. I'm Site and Operations Manager here at ANDRITZ in Iggesund. Responsible for the facility and also for the operations to deliver a knife system into ANDRITZ Group and also to external customers worldwide. ANDRITZ briefly is a very big company, a global company. I think there are about 30,000 employees within the group. In our division, we focus on delivering equipment to the pulp and paper industry. Since we strive for excellence and efficiency in everything we do, it's really important for us to work with suppliers that we can rely on, that they understand our needs. And as quality and accuracy is aspects that are really important for us, this is really crucial that we have suppliers understanding this. Then we found, through Stenbergs, we found IBARMIA, and they exceeded our expectations actually, and we got a lot of confidence working with them. So that's the start of this project. I'm Hans Edin. I'm working as a production technician with investments in new equipment and production planning. Our parts are all made in tool steel. Some of them are hardened up to 4-6 Rockwell C. The main motivation for a new machine is to replace a new one, or if we make some growth. Challenge is to find a machine that can do all parts, different sizes and different shapes without too big footprint.
My name is Magnus Flemström. I work as a production technician here at ANDRITZ. Been here for 25 years. Well, we had a very old machine, or at least we had 3 machines that was very old, that needed a replacement. And we needed to make a technical step forward in the new machine with being able to produce the parts that we were producing in these 3 machines. And being able to do that, we had to pick a 5-axis simultaneous machine. When we got into details, we found out that the IBARMIA machine was more or less the perfect solution for us because we have the strokes in the machine that we needed, and the footprint of the machine was not so big, so it fitted into the area where we wanted the machine to be placed in the area. We wanted the machine to be able to produce more or less all our parts that we have in the milling area here at ANDRITZ. And to be able to do that, we have big cylindrical parts and also long square parts. And to be able to do that, we need a big swing of the machine and also high stroke in X, Y, Z. We had a very good communication early in the project, and we were very thorough with everything. So we went through everything very closely together with IBARMIA and Stenbergs. So the commissioning of the machine went smoothly.
Well, my name is Gunnar Strömer, and I'm the area sales manager for this region and for this customer. And I've been working here at Stenbergs for almost 6 years now. Well, Stenbergs are one of the biggest dealers with machine tools. We have been actually since 1919, actually, and we have been working with IBARMIA since 2018, so it's almost 8 years now. Well, we started this project in the beginning of 2021, I think. There was a pre-study from ANDRITZ, and since we have IBARMIA in our portfolio, it was natural for them to take contact with us, and yeah, the good relation we had during the years was one big reason that we made this project to the end. They have now a THC, a 16 machine, which has been customized, especially for the extended column, for example, and also this automation with the customs, and yeah, to be able to run unmanned machining for 24 hours.
Yeah, it's so much faster, the lead time and the cycle time also, because the machine is much faster in itself. And then also we have the setups that we have lowered a lot with our new fixturing system. So we are in a good place. The setup time for the operator, since it's a lot less, It makes it much more user-friendly, a lot faster, and a lot more safe for the operator also. The part quality for this machine is much higher than the old machines that we had, and we are now producing our parts with microns of the tolerances.